In this video, we're going to walk through how to create a line chart in Excel. This can be a very helpful tool for visualizing our data and understanding trends over time. For the data set that we're working with, we have an annual sales report, and we want to create a line chart that'll give us the months and the revenue so we can see how the months have performed this past year. The first thing we want to do is get our data set up for making our chart. And the two columns we're interested in are the month and the total revenue. So let's grab a unique list of our months, which are running through January through December. And we'll carry over the formatting here. And then let's grab the revenue for each month. We can use our SUMIFS function to sum our revenue. When in this month column, find the month over here. And we'll pull that down, format that, the $sign. And now we have our data set that we can work with and build our line chart. So the first thing we'll do is select the information that we're going to be building the chart off of. Then in the tabs up here, we'll make sure that we're in the Insert tab. We'll come over to the Charts, and we can see Insert Line Chart. Let's click on that. And here we can see a few different options, and as we hover over them, we'll see that Excel will start to populate them in the background. But we're just going to use the simple 2D line chart. So let's pull that over to the side. All right, and then this will be the chart that we'll start working with, and we can go through some formatting options to make this chart look better. Let's start with our chart title, where we can click on that, and we can change this to monthly revenue. And if we're looking at other elements of our chart, if we want to get rid of these decimal points, we can click into that area, right-click, hit Format Axis. And then if we scroll down to number, we can see decimal places. We'll change that from 2 to 0. We see that our months are listed out here, which we like that formatting. If we did see a different formatting, such as horizontal, and we didn't like that, that's where if we were in this tab off to the side, you have to click on that. If we did want to make the text direction slanted, we would just need to do a custom angle of minus 45 degrees, and that's how we can get those fonts slanted, just a little bit cleaner for this graph. If we click on our line, we wanted to make this thicker, so instead of 2.25, we want to make this 2.5. We could change that to 2.5. We want to change the color of our line to any branding guidelines. We could click into the color and then choose, in this case, we'll go with a darker green. And if we wanted to change any of the font sizes, we could use the data in the Home tab. We could use the font over here. We can change that to 20, make that a little bit bigger. Same thing with our axis data. We could change this to 10.5 and this to 10.5 as well to make it a little bit easier to read. We could also expand it a little bit further. If we wanted to change these background grid lines, we could click on the grid line element, then come over here to the right side and say we wanted this more subtle. We could change that to a lighter gray. And those are a few of the more handy options you have with formatting a chart. There are other options you can go through in the chart design for some more pre-formatted chart types, as well as some other options for fills and elements such as that. But the charts in Excel are very customizable. As you click into different elements, you'll see that this menu will open up to the side. So if there are things that you're looking to do, poke around, scroll through these menus, and you'll get a feel for all of the options that you have available to you.